Hello, I'm Cadet Robison,
And I'm Cadet Russell.
and we're here to talk to you about our project, which is creating a program that will encrypt and decrypt RSA encryption.
RSA encryption was founded in 1977.
It uses prime numbers and modular arithmetic to encode messages.
There are two keys, the public key, which can be used to encrypt the data, and the private key, which is used to decrypt the data.
Alright, and we have, hopefully this demonstration will work this time. This is about our third time trying. Alright, so here we go. We actually have the program set up right now just for time's sake so that it will automatically pick the private and public key for you. In reality, you would pick two prime numbers, and then it will return to you a z value, and then from that z value you have to find another number that is co-prime to that, and then the program will actually return to you what your private and public keys are. And so right now we have what do you want a plain text to be?
Just cat, something simple. Just for the
Cat.
cat, C-A-T, comes out to be 185, 393, 7. Just seemingly a random string of numbers, but it actually takes a lot of modular arithmetic to come up with that number.
And without actually having the private key, there is no way that you would be able to get that number back into the original message as cat. So we can run it again and give dog, or run it again and we can do key.
If you'll notice, there doesn't seem to be any sort of pattern between those numbers. They're all fairly similar words, all three letters, and it seems like an encryption wouldn't be too difficult to understand, but since those numbers seem almost completely random, it makes it very difficult to decrypt that without the private key.
Another thing that you'll notice is that right now we are using small groups of text. And the larger, whenever we finish the project, we're actually going to be able to take larger bits of text. But as it is right now, as you can see, just having 3 letters creates a pretty large integer. But if you type in something longer, say, for example, the text that you want to code, "This is my key," you're going, okay, maybe it needs to be longer than that.
This is a very long key.
This is a very, very long key. Anyways, eventually you're going to get to a point where it actually, as a long number, the way that integers deals with numbers is that it throws an L at the end, and obviously we can't have that within the encryption because it will mess up all the numbers. And so the plan as of now is to cut it down so that it only takes 3 or 4 numbers and encrypts them at a time, and then you'll take the decrypt function and we'll iterate over each of those 3 or 4 bytes,
Rather than encrypting one big long number all at the same time.
Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed a little demo of our project, and we will continue to work to get the rest of it up and running.
Thank you very much. Have a good one.